Hi everyone, my name is Gracie and I am blessed to be part of Eden Point Lifestyle Center, and today on this channel I'm going to show you how to make a raw creamy cashew icing recipe. So it's super easy to make, it's super delicious, and you're only going to need about 7 ingredients. First off, we have 3/4 of a cup of raw cashews, and if you don't have a high-powered blender like the Vitamix, you're going to want to soak these cashews for a couple of hours just to make it easier on the blender when it's time to blend all the ingredients together. And then we have a 1/4 cup of water, and then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and last but not least, 3 tablespoons of raw honey. And all we're gonna do is start to put the ingredients into the blender and then blend it all up, and that's all you have to do. So, I'm gonna take the lid off, and we're gonna put our cashews into the blender. What's cool about cashews is that they're high in magnesium. And then we have our water. I'm gonna put our lemon juice in, which is high in vitamin C. We have our pink Himalayan salt, our vanilla extract, our coconut oil, and then our raw honey, which is super delicious, and it has a lot of antioxidants in it. So once you put all the ingredients into the blender, you're just going to put the lid on and then blend for a couple of minutes, because you want to make sure that this icing is completely smooth. You want to have a great consistency for your desserts. Okay, so now our icing is done and it's ready to be put into a little serving dish. So you saw how easy this recipe was to make. It only took a couple minutes and it involved a few ingredients that pretty much everybody has on hand. And this icing is just delicious. It pairs well with so many desserts and it's really yummy on fruit salad. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And also consider subscribing to our channel, because we're going to be posting more videos like this on health, spirituality, and lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.